Hello everyone, my name is Ankesh Kumar. My roll number is 21AG10002. I am from Section 11. This is my third DIY assignment, and for this I have created a burglar detection alarm using Arduino Uno in Tinkercad software. So let's have a brief view about my project. The components used in order to make this project are an Arduino Uno R3, a piezo which is also called a buzzer, a red LED, a 10 kilo ohm resistor and a PIR sensor. These are the components used in the following way in order to complete this assignment. Now let's move on to the code part. So basically this is a C++ code. The code has been executed in the shown way. Firstly, we have set up the components in the code, and then using the loop we have executed the code and got the desired output. Now let's move on to the simulation part. When we simulate, here we got the coordinates for the PIR sensor. The coordinates which has been shown here will detect any mishappening and send the signal to the buzzer, which will produce sound and inform the owner. We can also change the coordinates as per our convenience and got the desired output. Now let's run the system to check whether it is working or not. So when any mishappening will occur in the desired area, which can change using the coordinates, the PIR sensor will detect it and send it to the buzzer, which will produce sound. Now let's run the code in the Arduino Uno software. So here we can see that there is no compilation error and our code is executed successfully. That's all about my project. Thank you very much.